Yamwachi BM Samu Akwa Badwam TV, Badwam Jumedie no so, Yada Apostle Dr. Nite Kutegwase, and in Cranshan Sama or dear Bray, dear do Sonny a Badwam Cassie. Near to your Mubia Ubeti, any cardiologist, or no what Tamale Teaching Hospital, Dr. Abdo Yakubu say, Afrase, heart conditions are one more heart attack, our more recorded young one on 100. It is answer ebebro. Esuafo ya womo Abom Special School and visually impaired wo Ghana National Inclusive Basic School ene so womo stress enema ye de kira de no womo hia dodo eno ne nsem bi na no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase o share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTube search Adom TV tube kwadomonline.com na nsem we ni bebre so ewo ho fasedama me designer eye Augustus Studio na daro man address me Ghana man fefefe me di afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni diem yentie said nsem ni chiremu ankasa etie awofo ene ahwefo ewo Old Brim ene Jamestown farming community bi ewo Brim North mensimu wapoye mantemu ene tumampani John Dramani Mahama say school uniform policy no osrepa say womo so omre wonmu be fi say nkwada ne suku ntade ne bi no enye a won de best school nti abanfa ne nansimu ma won kase no etwaso
Chense nyame nhira no na onye ne kese na ba bia wadru no awurade ma ne mbro ho na da achi bi no omfa bi mbra biem chew yes rene pane chew entalia na kane no na ode boa yen mo ye tam no de boa ye no yes rese samle ye ho tire ye nti mo na oboa kane yes rese sabre on san koso ano mo ye untwa nanim behwe ye ma no ema ye
Alexander Yaw Intiamwa ene di edomo animu a wonom ekogina Reverend Samson Adonu anemu edi school ntade ekoma adesuafui na wachire mu se
nia ekan poti paaye papa eye obi a ono so eye obrefo ba ofiachire ansa no kodu sese United States of America eno nti se ni ono efem emra o ya abofra no ompese mofra a etwa ne ho hia na se obehu omefam bi eno nti so hu se abofra bi ho na se ofifie ba na ase na ho fasuo no e wo fam a ai na homte pa nti kana kuma se abofra bi a the uniform na se na tade ase ni e wo fam na se atete no na se oboa ma ono so no ho efe asema o ka kire me se me kan kire school mofra ni nyina ne se se ni onu fi atachem nene akodu bebi owi no abesha bufre bia nkran so obesua de na wabompai no adwumaden na wabrɛ ho ase
Adwadifo ya womo Obuasi Black Park nso de ene ka say womo yi won panimfo ya wo behwe edwa no so ni nyina no ye hwehwe a won mu biede ato ho na Vice President Professor Jenna no Poku Agyeman ne nsema wo ka bra no obonto ne mampani John Dramani Mahama Women's Bank no sauko ya won mo apawa kandifo no se bemu a onso benya baabi agina
Ekoi edin the Black Park Unity Association. Yeti koi na bia dwen so ye de ye ba ya nche wa ha. Aden ya ye pe angogura asante adwuma ne bia ye. Na ye nya adwuma na ye beja ye contain adwuma ye ye. Ndi ya nkran adwuma ye ye no. Eno se ye hyemu kina. Na agina brane. Ni amfa ni anto anglogold so. Challenge ba ko ye face pa aya kronfo na ja hyehye a ha yon park so. Ama mu bi ko atimi nu ye ho se ase ye ba be ye adwuma wa ha. Nzanza ade ba chema ba ojuma so no na ya se obi atwa container na se eja to container mu ase hayen tinanda ya adwun se di na betumi aya ye besi akronfo ho kwan se ye hwe se ye benya security a omobo ye ho ban anadwo ana se daytime kra no ometuma petrol ha de amayen na ye se tro sa challenge ya de ama ye ban bofo a omowo Obuasi ha me ka ban bofo a ye police fo se nka be ye na so ometumi aboa yen enya skit post bi kura wa ha de amayani a anase metumi aye petrol anadwo bia wa ha de amayani a ka ba boa yen
cardiologist ya wono Tamale Teaching Hospital ya Dr. Abdo Yakubu na wodi atudwa sa frase heart attack nkon won record ye no na ye 100 woni Adom kase atwaso
showed that we had over a span of about 12 months we had almost 100 cases of patients coming in with heart attacks. okay, and realize that one of the challenges we've had in managing these patients have been the timeliness of coming to hospital presenting, and then the appropriateness of the interventions that we give. There are so many challenges that we have at various strata of the healthcare system, and so we hope that the topic that we've chosen will be will drive home the message.
And see yepe and Dr. Collins Koko, President of the Ghanaian Society of Cardiology, a cadetwa say akomayadi no edie, sisi ye kosropa ya konfanocha bayare sabiano, wahan and inka de biada, ebinum ede yadi ebaho.
Our emergencies, for instance, at the Confanoche Teaching Hospital, almost every day, and I'm saying almost every day, somebody will come in with a heart attack. Somebody will come in with a stroke. Somebody will come in with a condition that is described as cardiac emergency, such as pulmonary embolism. So it's very prevalent. We don't have local studies yet to talk about the prevalence rate, but we know they are so common. We are seeing them every day.
Make us say Abom Special School and Ghana National Inclusive Basic School and any automated water projects and concrete walkway. Ebeboa warm pa na sebi won so a enu ho de ebe fasa akonya so na aboa won akonya bedie no achi omo how bi was rempedifo so ma wonsa entuminka.
Nima bi etumi yama sa school in Shodo. Oba Ghana National Basic Inclusive School. One of the few inclusive schools in Ghana. And to identify for any more money at the nation at the book. And so, the classroom will know how that baby almost cry, almost that keep there from the Nancy, their bus school, no cry, inclusive school, no cry, and yet, and she said, Debbie, into me, Mundia Grocket. I was here, Shena, almost sitting our school, so to me a day, a chumpan.
And Wachi Enna, Senior Program Executive for Wada Rhythm Foundation, and no any Amani Buni at Chimkomo.
First and foremost, this is our second project with Anopa. We had the first project and it was a successful one.
Adom TV, Badwam Kasia na hana bema kwina no pay DSC da semrani adaje a wode maye. De adu so no de bonkrata no ne online de yakwaba ne atoso.